I am Bertha Vasquez, the director of the Teacher Institute for Evolutionary Science. We launched our first workshop at the Frost Science Museum in Miami, Florida, 10 years ago. Since then, we've brought over 325 workshops to teachers in all 50 U.S. states. All of these workshops led by passionate classroom educators. Our free resources have been downloaded thousands of times. Our book on teaching evolution hit #1 on Amazon, and we've earned prestigious awards for our impact. We have also presented 83 webinars featuring top scientists for teachers and their students. And we've collaborated with universities, school districts, and museums all over the country. We even led a Grand Canyon rafting trip for science teachers. I'd love to thank everyone who has become a part of the TIES family, including our teacher presenters, our webinar guests, and our generous donors who have made all this possible, because evolution education matters.